The difference between a standard commodity pergola from Costco, Amazon, Structure, Pergolux, Zenko, and other manufacturers may appear similar, but the engineering, technology, and integration behind them can be dramatically different. Many pergolas are designed primarily for seasonal shade. Pergola So by Pergo Centro was engineered as a complete outdoor environment designed for luxury residential, hospitality, restaurant, and commercial applications. For example, many pergolas use smaller drainage systems with larger gaps between the louvers and gutter, allowing airflow, splashback, and weather intrusion during heavy rain. Pergola So features a high-capacity four-sided gutter system with minimal spacing between the louvers and gutter, helping manage substantial water flow while maintaining a cleaner and more protected environment. Water is then directed through fully hidden drainage integrated directly into the post structure. Structural engineering is another major difference. While many pergolas utilize single-wall louvers designed primarily for appearance and shade, Pergola So utilizes insulated double-wall louvers engineered for demanding environments with snow load performance up to 60 pounds per square foot, and even higher depending on configuration. Our intelligent environmental system can even recognize freezing temperatures and automatically adjust the louvers to help prevent ice-related damage. But where Pergola So truly separates itself is integration. Many pergolas require screens, lighting, speakers, and enclosure systems to be added onto the structure after installation, often creating bulky housings and exposed components. Pergola So was engineered as one complete integrated platform from the beginning. Our screens disappear directly into the beams and posts. Our Bluetooth speakers are hidden inside the structure itself. Optional stainless steel backlit push buttons can be integrated directly into the post to control lighting, screens, louvers, audio, and other accessories. We can even integrate hidden 110-volt outlets, USB charging ports, and HDMI support directly into the pergola. Lighting was also engineered as part of the structure itself, not simply added afterward. From indirect RGB ambience lighting and tunable white perimeter lighting to integrated spotlights and our signature starry sky ceiling system that can automatically illuminate at program times during the evening. Every detail was designed to create a luxury outdoor experience. Technology is another major differentiator. While many pergolas stop at simple motorization, Pergola So incorporates GPS solar tracking technology capable of maintaining a desired percentage of shade throughout the day by automatically following the sun. Our systems also feature intelligent automation, motion activation, integrated weather sensors, and remote diagnostics, allowing contractors to monitor and diagnose systems from anywhere in the world. And unlike pergolas focused only on shade, Pergola So was engineered as a complete architectural outdoor environment with integrated screens, sliding glass, guillotine glass, real wood walls, custom finishes, hidden technology, limitless configurations, and complete dealer support. At Pergo Centro, we don't simply supply pergolas. We support our dealers with training for ownership, office staff, sales teams, and installation crews. We provide dealer-operated 3D configurators with real-time pricing. And coming to our configurator system, we are adding engineering, where as you build the pergola, it will automatically apply engineering calculations for you. We even send technicians on site for first installations to ensure long-term success. This isn't simply another pergola like Renton, Braddock, and Brewster. This is Pergola So by Pergo Centro.